goes from not so sunny Playa del Carmen. Okay, I got here yesterday afternoon, my first full day here now. What I'm doing now is just show you a quick look around my apartment. It's very nice. I'll go through it all. And at the moment I'm up on the roof where the pool area is. It's very nice. I'll go through the costs, everything later on, and I'll go through the airport because that was an experience here in Cancun. The things to avoid, but quick look around now here. As you can see, it's got a nice little pool area here. One of them infinity pools over the town towards the Caribbean Sea. I'll put my drone up. I probably won't put it up today, it's too cloudy and a bit windy. But I'll put my drone up maybe tomorrow because it's supposed to be sunnier. And have a good look around from the apartment. Now we'll go down and have a look at the apartment itself. Okay, this is my apartment. Quick look around and the prices, etc. As soon as you walk in, we've got a little cooking area, oven, hob, microwave, sink, fridge, freezer, coolers, ideal. Plenty of cleaning equipment there. Okay, I'm alright here now. It's the bathroom. There's the light for it. There's the bathroom, big shower. Okay, storage space there. We come out and here we've got a few items. We have an iron, hairdryer, some sort of coffee thing. I don't need to drink coffee, but I believe that's a making coffee. Toaster, blender. For margaritas. On the corner here we've got an ironing board, so we do ironing. We've got a table, stool set for sitting down, doing some work. I've done my bit of work here. Mirror, television, TV. I don't watch TV when I'm abroad. I don't watch TV at home, but so I haven't looked at it, what it's like. I have no idea. But it's a big one. What is it? 50 inch. Air conditioning, Then you got wardrobes or closets, whatever you call them. You do have a safe, extra pillows here, security drawer, plenty of space there to keep your stuff. Here we got, which I believe is a sofa bed, so extras can stay here. And the bed, king size bed, very comfortable. Which is one thing good about this apartment is there's plenty of electrical sockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in 6, which are double ones in here alone. And out here we got a little sitting area. Cleaning equipment over there. Very nice. I'll be sitting out in here in the evenings or in the mornings, especially now that I found the blender there to make some cocktails. So yeah, it's all very nice. Right, what's this cost me? I'm here for a week, this one here, and it cost me, I think top of my head, £188 in British money. I put it down what it is in pesos and American dollars, etc. But it's 188 quid. For me, it's perfect, value for money. Very nice, especially with the pool upstairs.